Namaste everyone, myself Saundarya and I'm a mother of 5 months old cute little baby boy. So, सबसे पहले तो I just want to tell that Priya ji is the best prenatal instructor. Why? Because since start of my pregnancy I had been told that because of my low lying placenta I won't be able to do any kind of prenatal exercises. So for the first 7 months of my pregnancy I haven't doing anything like हेवी कुछ भी करने से डॉक्टर ने स्ट्रिक्टली मना कर दिया था, जिसके चलते मेरे माइंड में एक थॉट बन गया था कि आई वोंट बी हैविंग अ नॉर्मल डिलीवरी, कि मुझे तो बस सी सेक्शन के लिए जाना है, दैट इज़ द ओनली ऑप्शन लेफ्ट फॉर मी. बट when my 7 month of pregnancy started, तब मेरा प्लेसेंटा थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर जा चुका था एंड देन डॉक्टर सजेस्टेड कि नाउ यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ माई प्रीनेटल जर्नी. So that's when I met Priya ji. So like I joined her classes on 7th of March and my EDD was 30th of April. So like we literally had less than 2 months in our hand and I was like, let's just try, like let's just give a try. If होगा तो बेस्ट है, if नहीं होगा तो that will be beneficial for me in some other ways also. और exercises never go waste. तो मैंने 7 को उनका क्लासेस ज्वाइन किया एंड लिटरली on 16th of April my labor has started and on 17th I delivered my baby and my labor started at midnight and at morning at around 6 I was admitted to the hospital and at 10:15 my baby was born. So she has guided me, she has trained my body in such a way that I had minimum labor pain hours. I like जो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए होता है खुद की बॉडी पे कि आई कैन गो थ्रू दिस एंड आई कैन डिलीवर माई बेबी सो पॉजिटिवली. तो एक पॉजिटिव जो एटीट्यूड होना चाहिए है माइंड में अपनी खुद की बॉडी को लेके, उस सारी प्रोसीजर को लेके, शी हैज़ बिल्डअप दैट इन मी. क्योंकि लिटरली आई एम really scared of all the like OT thing and hospital things, but she somewhere has like you have to do that. Like if you do this, if you have negative thoughts, then that will impact your baby also. So these are all the things she has kept telling me since day one. She has taken care, like हर एक आसन, हर एक मेडिटेशन सब करने से पहले she will ask you, are you okay, this is working for you or not. She will take care of you, she will motivate you, she will guide you, she will encourage you. If you are in some days you just feel like मुझे तो आज कुछ करना नहीं है, मैं बस लेटे रहूँगी या मुझसे कुछ होगा नहीं, on those days also she will help you to get up and just do a little exercise so that you feel little better. So like I genuinely personally feel and I am personally so glad that I met Priya ji, because there are so many prenatal instructors online, so many. So among them I chose the best one and I had my best pregnancy journey. Like for जितना भी टाइम हम साथ में थे या जितने भी दिन हम एक्सरसाइज कर पाए, like we did it just for hardly 40 to 45 days and in those days also I felt a little confident कि no, like my body is changing, like I am like prepared, like my mind was like if anything is necessary I will do that to bring my baby safely. And somewhere ये thinking मेरे mind में बनाने में उनका बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, क्योंकि मैंने तो होप्स छोड़ दिए थे कि मेरी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी भी हो पाएगी, बट मेरी नॉर्मल हुई, बहुत स्मूथली हुई, शॉर्टेस्ट लेवल पेन रहा मुझे. और लाइक जब मैं हो गया सब, जब मैं फ्री हो गई देन आई वाज लाइक कि लिटरली जस्ट सब हो गया. लाइक इट वाज सच अ हैप्पी मोमेंट फॉर मी एंड शी वाज देयर. In midnight also she was there, morning also she was there, she was constantly in contact with me. I was updating her every hour, I was updating her like what is happening, like all the things. So it was like My pregnancy journey, I enjoyed, I felt happy, and like I will remember this journey like forever. That is because she was part of this journey. She has taken care of me, she has guided me, she has motivated me to do all the exercises and everything. Also, she will take care of your diet, what you all have to do, what you don't have to do. She will also give you the homework. So her classes, and she is the complete whole package that anyone could need in her pregnancy or prenatal journey. So thank you so much, Priya ji, for taking all these things and helping me throughout my pregnancy journey, from the silliest things to the toughest parts. Thank you so much. I am like forever grateful that I have found you and only you amongst all the prenatal instructors available online or like everywhere. Thank you so much. Thank you.